welcome back. So glad to see you again. Okay, tonight we are having my famous chili. It's been cooking all day and the house has been smelling amazing. And the reason why I decided to make it is because it's been freezing here in Arizona. Again, today it was 70. We're really getting the cold weather right now and I'm trying to deal with it. So, I made Candice's famous chili. See? Candice's chili. Look at that. Oh, scrumptious. Absolutely delicious. And I've been waiting all day to eat it because the house has smelled so good. And what we're gonna do actually is we're gonna make chili cheese dogs. So I heated up my hot dogs already cooked them on the stove top, heated them up. And now we're gonna have some hot dogs. I made you some too. Cause Maxter Burgess, follow him on Instagram at maxter.burgess. He's famous, Mr. Hollywood. He's such a sweetheart. He always sits like this too. This is how he sits. So made 2 for the dogs. Soon it's coming. Don't worry, I didn't forget about you. Everyone's gonna be happy by the end of this. So first off, we're gonna take a little chili. Don't worry, I'm gonna put the whole recipe up for you guys too. But this morning we browned the ground beef and I put the peppers and the onions and the beans and the paste and the tomatoes, the seasoning, and everything inside. So we're gonna start mine with just a little chili, but my husband loves it with a bun inside. So, and he loves mayonnaise, so we're gonna put a little bit of mayonnaise. First put the bun inside, like so. Ooh, whoop. And we had an explosion, but that's okay. Whoa. We deal with it, right? Oh my goodness. Oh, of course, stilettos. Of course, cooking with stilettos. All the time. Okay. So then we take his hot dog. I'll take this one because it doesn't have mayonnaise on it. And then we're going to put a little bit of chili on top of his. Yes, mayonnaise with some chili. And we're just going to pile it on top. Let me ask him if that's enough. He says yes. And then we're going to grab some cheese. Oh my gosh, it already looks good. And we're going to just all over the top. And then last, I'll give him a fork. Voila. Hope you love it, honey. Love you. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you soon for the next one.
Now what are you doing?
Oh, just a little tiny treat for my puppies.
For your puppies?
Yeah, they've been so awesome. My mama's been cooking and slaving away all day. So I thought it was time.
You're giving dogs to the hot dogs to the dogs?
You know it. I'd give them a steak if I had some right now.
Oh.
That'll be next one.
What do you think, Max?
Next video, steak.
Give me paw.
Steak is
Give me paw. Good boy. Good boy.
Good boy.
Yes. What do you think, Mimi?
Great. Give me hot dog. Hot dog.
You ready to eat, Max? Is it dinner time? He goes, oh, this looks really good.
It's better than you think.
Where's Maverico?
Maverico.
Come on over, Mav.
Maverico.
Come on over, buddy. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing?
Maverico Burgess. On Instagram. Candice Burgess on Instagram. Come on. One more. Oh, yeah. Maybe not. How could they not like that?
Max, take one bite and run. There you go. Here we go. Chili cheese dogs are good.
But whose?
Candelicious is so good.
Oh, that's me. Yay.
That should be your nickname, Candelicious.
You better say that. Thanks.
Thank you very much, baby.
You're welcome. I love you.
I love it.
Mwah. Bye.